Sorry.
Welcome to this new video. I'm here today with Enzo and Marco, my two friends. As you can see, it's sunset time. It's beautiful outside.
He's gonna show you all about our wonderful place, Sorrento, because
we love Sorrento, right, Enzo?
Yeah, we love it. We love it, and we love people that come to visit our place.
Today we tried out this first ocean life video with Marco's drone.
We were lucky because yesterday the weather was not good, right?
Yeah.
But today the
just
weather
chose
is
the right
perfect.
day. We
Not
chose
very
right.
windy, no clouds,
Sunny, all clear. That's good, people.
So see you in the video, right?
Yeah, see you in the video.
Ciao Fabri.
So what's the best way to get ready for the sailing exam than going to the seaside with this guy? Thank you for watching. Follow up the page, subscribe to the channel as always, and I'll see you in the next video.
Ciao guys.